The blinking white light on your T-Mobile router indicates it's powering up, updating firmware, or searching for a signal. Don't panic. First, unplug the router for 30 seconds, then reconnect it. This simple power cycle resolves many minor glitches. If the blinking started during a software update, give it 10 to 20 minutes to complete automatically. Interrupting this process can damage the device. Remember, a solid white light means normal operation. If the blinking persists, try a soft reset. Hold the reset button for 10 to 15 seconds. As a last resort, perform a factory reset by holding the button for 30 seconds until the lights flash. Note, you should back up your settings if possible. If you still see the blinking light, the issue could be hardware-related or signal-related. Contact T-Mobile support or use the T-Mobile app for guided troubleshooting. Rural users with weak signals can try Ethernet bridge mode in the app. If resetting doesn't work, a replacement might be necessary.